Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a mouse. What mouse is that? It's called MX Vertical Mouse. So how is this different from the other mouses in the market? Okay, so first let me unbox it. Okay, and then I'll tell you the features about it. Okay, let me do the unboxing. Here. Okay, the box. Right. So what do we have here? This is a cable. Okay, you got a cable, some instructions manual, packaging is a bit difficult to get it out. Okay, mouse. Then there's a USB dongle, right? So basically this mouse you can connect by USB or Bluetooth. Right. So what's the difference between this MX Vertical mouse made by Logitech as compared to other mouse in the market? Right. So look at it. Firstly, there's a distinctive feature, the angle, a 57-degree angle for optimal ergonomic posture and performance. Right. So when you hold this in a natural handshake position, it helps to prevent forearm twisting. Right, 4 times less hand movement and a 10% reduction in muscular strain on the forearm. So when you put it on the table, right, you can see I barely twist, my forearm, right. I barely twist my forearm. Yeah, it looks good. The design, very nice shape, very nice feel, right. So this is a USB-C charging port. Right, a 1-minute charge will give you 3 hours of usage. A full charge will give you 4 months of usage. 4 months, well, that's a very long time, right? So here you have an on-off button, and in the middle you have a 4000 dpi high precision sensor. At the bottom here you have a button where you can connect up to 3 devices we can swap over, right? So this is a left click, right click, and the scroller shortcut buttons here as well, 2 shortcut buttons, right? Yes, it's a good design. So what do you think about this mouse? Drop me your comments, right? Remember to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification button for more updates on my future videos. See you guys.